This is Free Talk Business 2, Lesson 12 Review. How to quit your job and go it alone. Mr. Johnson, thank you for meeting with us. I wanted to let you know that Takuma and I have decided to resign. Really? That's unexpected. May I ask you why? Of course, this wasn't an easy decision, but we've been planning to start our own business together. Haven't we, Takuma? Yes, we've both been looking for more personal fulfillment, something that aligns with our values and passions. And we're excited about having more flexibility in how and when we work. Being entrepreneurs will also give us more autonomy. We see unlimited earning potential too. It's a chance for diverse skill development, marketing, finance, leadership. There are also tax benefits, but most of all, we're excited about the creative freedom. We want to build something original. I see. Well, I'm surprised, but I respect your ambition. I wish you both the best. Thank you, Mr. Johnson. We're grateful for everything we've learned here. Okay, good job.